How to create a Facebook page. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you create a Facebook page. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Facebook with your account. Alright, so after you open the Facebook, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to go with the option menu just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from the menu section, you'll have to just scroll down and go the options like see more. Okay, so from this see more section, you'll have to go the option pages. So simply tap on this option pages. Alright, so from the pages section, you'll be able to access or view your pages that you can manage. So from here, to create a new Facebook page, you'll have to just tap on the option create. Alright, so simply from here you can choose your new profile or page. So you can either choose the personal profile or you can choose the public page. So simply choose one you want and from here tap on next. Okay, so from here you'll have to just provide your Facebook page name. So simply you have to provide it. Okay, so after you done it, you'll have to just tap on next. Okay, so from here you'll have to just describe your category for your Facebook page. So you can easily describe your category. So I will select some here, and after you select it, you'll have to just tap on this option create. Alright, so after you tap on that, you'll be able to create your Facebook page. So in this way you can create your Facebook page, and now from there you can easily customize your page from your side. Like you can do many changes on your page after you created a page on your Facebook account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.